This is the session to explain how to configure HefnyCopter 2 on KK2 board. First, you need to upload the firmware on the board. Then, when you power up the board, you will find the screen as you can see here. There is RX shows XX, sensor shows error, and sticks shows XX. The flying mode is plus and the board orientation is plus. First thing, you need to go to the menu using buttons. Click here. Notice that you cannot enter any menu item, only some menus can be entered. If you try to access self-level menu or gyro, for example, you cannot enter this. You can select the setting, mode setting. You need to make sure that you start in UART mode, even if you plan later to use the body mode. UART mode is where you can fly your quadcopter as a single user, and you can connect it to your PC, and you can use both acro and leveling mode. Here you can select the board orientation and the flying direction. The default flying direction, because you can install the board as X or plus and still fly X or plus independent of the board orientation. But here you can choose the default flying mode. Okay. First thing to go is to sensor calibration. Press continue. Now sensors are calibrated. If you return to the home page, we will find that the SN OK now. Here, let's open our transmitter. As you can see here, the RX2 is not X anymore. There is number 2 here. And this 2 means the main receiver is active. Note here that the main receiver is RX2, not RX1. Okay. Now let's go to the menu. Go to stick centering and make stick calibration. Simply move to left, right, up, down, left, right. Then the auxiliary button, move it to the both ends. Okay. Let's look to the values here and press done. Okay. Press back. As you can see here, stick calibration is now not X anymore, it is 2. Okay. Now we can use the smart sticks. We can turn this up and use this stick, aileron and elevator as buttons instead of using the buttons on the board. Before stick calibration, this was not possible. Now the board is ready to fly. We can arm it, and now we can fly.